Picture this. A brain walks into a bar, weary and weighed down by the ravages of Alzheimer's disease. It's not your typical customer, but then, this is not your typical story. We're diving into a world where science meets the unexpected, where a cocktail of molecules is the star of the show. These molecules, designed by the brilliant minds at Yale University, are ready to take on Alzheimer's. So, this brain, beleaguered by Alzheimer's, looks to the bartender and says, "Give me the usual, or better yet, make it a cocktail of molecules." Now, this isn't your usual fruity beachside cocktail. Oh no, this one's got a kick. This cocktail is a concoction of designer molecules, researched and identified by the brilliant minds at Yale University. This isn't a casual sipper, but a potential life changer. Imagine the brain as a bustling city with highways of neurons and Alzheimer's as the unwelcome traffic jam. This is where our cocktail comes in. It interferes with the very first step of Alzheimer's disease. It works like a roadblock, halting the binding of damaging amyloid beta peptides to prion proteins. This process is crucial because it sets off a domino effect of devastating events in the progression of Alzheimer's, including the buildup of plaques and damage to synapses. The researchers discovered that an old antibiotic, when optimized as a polymer, could interfere with this harmful interaction. Given to mice mimicking Alzheimer's, it repaired brain synapses and helped recover lost memory. And just like that, our brain's cocktail isn't just a happy hour special, it's a potential game changer. Now our brain, with its cocktail in hand, is starting to feel hopeful. This research has shown restored memories in mice, providing a glimmer of hope for potential human application. These findings are especially significant in light of the increasing burden of Alzheimer's disease. As we stand on the precipice of potential breakthroughs, the excitement is palpable. So as our brain lifts its glass in a toast to hope, remember that every like, share, and subscribe brings us closer to our next breakthrough. Here's to innovation, to hope, and to you, our amazing viewers. Cheers.